Thank you for choosing RenewAlert to help your company track and manage all time-sensitive recurring tasks. In this training, we'll cover what exactly RenewAlert does, a few key setup steps to customize your experience, how to enter a reminder and navigate basic functionality. Let's begin. What does RenewAlert actually do? First, it's cloud-based software, which means you can log in from anywhere with internet access. In the simplest terms, anything you need to remember to do in the future, you can enter it in RenewAlert. You can pre-write the reminder email, add additional recipients, set reminder dates, and RenewAlert will automatically send the email to those contacts exactly as scheduled. But RenewAlert does far more than just track leases and contracts. As shown here, it can handle action items, permits, birthdays, compliance reminders, customer contracts, and much more. Take certificates of insurance, for example. If you have a supplier who must maintain a valid COI, you can draft an email requesting the updated certificate, set a reminder for 30 days before expiration, and input the supplier's email address. RenewAlert will then automatically send the reminder without you having to lift a finger. And here's the best part. You can set the reminder to auto-renew. That means once the reminder completes its cycle, it will automatically reset and run again next year. Hands-off and fully automated. Logging in and navigating the dashboard. Start by going to renewalert.com and log in using your email and password. You'll land on your dashboard where you'll see summaries of tasks by category. In the top right corner of the screen, click your company name in the drop-down, then select Account Settings. Here you can add or update your first and last name. Next, enter the name of your company. Do not enter your department, branch, or property here. Just the name of your company. The department section is where you can enter in the name of your department, branch, or property. This is quite helpful when multiple users are part of one organization. This allows users to assign and share reminders internally. Next, choose your industry from the drop-down menu. This step is important because it determines the reminder categories you'll see, tailored to your industry or department. If no exact match applies, you can select General to access the full list of categories. Click Save to return to the dashboard. Creating a reminder. From the dashboard, use the left-hand menu and select Add a Reminder. Because each user selects a department, you can assign reminders to others within your organization. Now let's walk through the reminder fields. Contract name. Give your reminder a clear name. This can be a task, supplier, or item you need to track. Account or reference number. This is an optional field for internal reference codes. Inception date. When the contract or task began, if relevant. Expiration date. The date the task or agreement ends. This is separate from the reminder send date. Payment. Any dollar amount associated with this reminder. Payment interval. Select how often payments occur. Deposit, prepayment. Track advance payments like deposits or prepaid utilities. Category. Match the reminder to a category for easier sorting and tracking. Auto-renew. This feature allows the user to set a reminder to automatically reset after it has run through its reminder cycle. You can select the interval you want the reminder to automatically reset in the drop-down. This will keep the reminder enabled until you switch auto-renew to off. Description. A short summary of the reminder. Reminder notes. Internal notes just for your team. These are not included in the email reminders. Tip. Many users use our AI chatbot to generate the email body and paste it into this section. You can also upload related documents by clicking Choose Files, then click Save. On the next screen, you'll define your reminder period, the number of days, weeks, or months before the expiration date that your reminder should go out. By default, the reminder will go to the logged-in user's email. To send it to others, click Add Contact and enter their email addresses. The Notes field here is what will appear in the actual reminder email. You can click Use Contract Notes to populate the message from the earlier screen, edit it, or write a new one entirely. If Send iCal is checked, a calendar invite will be included in the email for all recipients. You can also attach documents to the outgoing email by clicking Choose Files. Once complete, click Save, and your reminder is ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this training helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest product tips and feature walkthroughs. For more training resources, visit us anytime at renewalert.net.